making thousands of samosa wraps, we're making samosa as well, so we're making everything from scratch. That's very easy to make, and trust me, it turned out delicious. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the dough. In my mixing bowl, I added in flour, salt. I then stirred till well combined. I created a wall in the middle, and then I added in water. So the water, I didn't add it to it all at once, bit at a time until I've added in all. So go ahead and mix together until it's formed a dough. Once it's formed a dough, go ahead and knead it for about 5 minutes in the bowl, or you can transfer it on your work surface and knead it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what you're looking for. The dough shouldn't be sticky at all. Put it back in the bowl, cover it with the cling film, and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. So in the meantime, you can go ahead with your filling. For my filling, I went in with olive oil, crushed garlic, grated ginger, and spring onion. So I said I let this cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes before going in with my minced meat. I then added in chili flakes, which is totally optional. If you don't have, or if you're not a chili lover, you can use black pepper instead of the chili flakes. I then added in salt, meat seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning. So I stirred, and then I let the meat cook until it is ready before going in with my vegetables, which is carrot, spring onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and then I stirred till well combined. So I let it cook until you don't see any liquid. Make sure there's no liquid in your filling. If not, the samosa will be soggy. So please make sure there's no liquid in the filling, and that's what you're looking for. You're looking for this. Wow, this was delicious. It took the samosa to the next level. Try it and thank me later. So once you're done with the filling, keep it aside and let it cool down completely before using it. After 30 minutes, go ahead and transfer the dough on your work surface, divide it into smaller pieces. So I went in around 60 to 70 grams each. When done, bring one of the dough, cover the rest with the cling film to stop the surface from drying out, and then sprinkle flour on your work surface. Transfer one of the dough on it and roll it out. So I'm doing 5 at a time. Roll it and keep it aside as seen in the video. So the last one, go ahead and brush on top with oil. I'm using sunflower oil, and then make sure it's all brushed with oil. Go in with flour, not that much, sprinkle a little bit of flour on it, and then add in the next batch. Make sure you repeat that the same process. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one, don't add in any oil, just sprinkle flour on it and then roll it out. You can make 10 at a time, but I went in for only 5 at a time, and then 5 at a time again. When done, roll it thin and then cut off the excess. Use a lid to cut off the excess. Go ahead and preheat your pan. Let this cook from 1 to 2 minutes on both sides with a low flame. You do not want to cook it, if not it will be very hard and then it will crack. So keep flipping it, keep cooking it until you are done with it, and trust me, this is very, very easy to make. So this was my last one, and then when done, transfer it on your work surface, divide it into 4 equal parts. You're good to go. So as you can tell, this is very easy. You can make thousands of samosa wrap in no time. Just look at it, guys. This was very simple and very, very easy. When done, put it in a plate. Make sure you cover it with a napkin to stop it from drying out. Now let's move to the glue paste, which is a tablespoon of flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well combined and keep it aside. For the samosa pockets, it's very easy. Fold it as seen in the video. Apply the glue paste, make the pocket, add in your filling. So I went in for 1 tablespoon of filling, and then I used the glue paste to seal that part, the edge, and then I close it on top. I fold it, and that's what you're looking for. That's very easy. Please, if you don't understand anything, please go back, watch the video carefully, because the video is going fast, and I cannot talk as the video is going fast. This is what you're looking for. When done, go ahead and fry this bad boys. It's very easy, guys. Keep frying it until you are done. So this is not done yet, but it is beautiful. and was not just beautiful but delicious, guys. Try it and thank me later. When you get to this point, brown, lightly brown, crispy like this, you are good to go, guys. You will love it. Your kids, your kids are going to love it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And this was delicious, crispy, crunchy, delicious.